Starting around 31 October 2023, Nexo really is exchanging at 62 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in absolute most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo generally has a really complete market cap of $349,622,838, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,225,770, which explicitly is very critical. This really makes Nexo kind of positioning at 97 in the digital money market, or so they explicitly thought. In the event that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Nexo basically be most certainly worth in 2023, which basically is genuinely critical. Is Nexo an especially wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in a significant manner? Will Nexo cost explicitly outperform its untouched high, which basically is genuinely critical? These in every practical sense are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future in a truly significant manner. Nexo value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Nexo cost really is supposed to cross a genuinely normal value level of 76 cents, the normal especially least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the in every practical sense, current year ought to for the most part be 72 cents, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, Nexo can basically arrive at a very most extreme value level of 81 cents, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Nexo value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Nexo especially is estimated to in every practical sense be at around in every way that really matters, least worth of 61 cents in a quite huge manner. The Nexo value worth can arrive at a genuinely limit of 69 cents, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of 67 cents in United States dollars, showing the way that the Nexo value worth can sort of arrive at a very limit of 69 cents, with the typical exchanging worth of 67 cents in United States dollars, or so they for the most part thought. Nexo value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Nexo for the most part is supposed to generally be at around at least 66 cents. Nexo cost can arrive at a limit of 72 cents, with the fundamentally normal cost of 68 cents in United States dollars, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Nexo value expectation October 2023. The cost for Nexo in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 69 cents and 75 cents, which for the most part is genuinely critical. While the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost ought to be around 71 cents in an unpretentious manner. Nexo value figure November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Nexo in a real sense is basically anticipated to, all things considered, arrive at a really normal cost of 74 cents, while the coin could exchange between a limit of 78 cents and a very least of 72 cents in a truly significant manner. Nexo value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Nexo truly is supposed to basically be at around an extremely least of 72 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo cost can by and large arrive at an especially limit of 81 cents, with the essentially normal cost of 76 cents in United States dollars, or so they especially thought. Nexo pretty past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto for the most part has been in a real sense diminished by 0.01% in its truly current worth. Assuming we basically look at the truly current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap is likewise down, so Nexo pretty past value examination in the for the most part beyond 24 hours, the crypto in a real sense has been by and large diminished by 0.01% in its truly current worth, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. From kind of most recent 7 days, the Nexo really was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 2.33% in a by and large significant manner. Nexo has shown areas of strength for certainly of potential recently, and this could be great chance to for the most part dive right in and contribute, or so they basically thought. Inside the in every way that really matters, most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo sort of diminished by 13.216%, taking out an astounding especially normal amount of $0.095 from its fundamentally current worth in an essentially significant manner. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin fundamentally is in plunge of the present time, implying that it can generally be a genuinely great generally purchase a potential open door for sort of speedy venture, which basically shows that Nexo value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Nexo essentially is supposed to in a real sense be at around a truly least of 72 cents. Which by and large is very critical. The 90 days cost change most certainly is near 25.84%. And the value soared of course from an essentially least most certainly normal cost of 79 cents to sort of greatest really normal cost of 86 cents in the fundamentally beyond 90 days, exhibiting that Nexo genuinely passed value examination in every practical sense, recent hours. The crypto all things considered has been certainly diminished by 0.01% in its essentially current worth. Nexo for the most part is somewhere near 15.63%. With the truly greatest pretty typical cost of the coin truly was around 67 cents, and the kind of least certainly normal value of was around 65 cents in essentially beyond 4 months in a by and large significant manner. Nexo value estimate 2023 facts. What will be Nexo really worth in 2023, which truly is very critical. The Nexo cost is determined to generally arrive at a most extreme degree of 81 cents, with essentially least cost of 72 cents toward the finish of 2023. Which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Does Nexo have a future, or so they generally thought? As far as cost, Nexo essentially has a remarkable sort of potential to in a real sense arrive at new levels, showing how from kind of most recent 7 days the Nexo in a real sense was in especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 2.33% in a genuinely significant manner. It truly is figure that Nexo will increment in esteem, showing how the 90 days cost change generally is near 25.84%, and the cost commonly flowed from a very least typical cost of 79 cents to in every practical sense, greatest pretty normal cost of 86 cents in the fundamentally beyond 90 days, exhibiting that Nexo truly passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto certainly has been generally diminished by 0.01% in its for the most part current worth in an unobtrusive manner. As per for the most part unambiguous specialists and business investigators, Nexo can really raise a ruckus around town cost of $24.07 till 2030, or so they sort of thought. Is Nexo sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Nexo's worth by and large is supposed to fundamentally keep on growing, as lack will in generally support cost rise, showing how Nexo value estimate November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Nexo basically is generally anticipated to generally arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of 74 cents, while the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of 78 cents and at least 72 cents amazingly. If it's not too much trouble, note, there sort of is a gamble to any venture, which truly is very huge. Just in a real sense put resources into what you can